Hi, all. Welcome again. This is Ashish Kyal here from Wave Strategy Advisors. And today discussion is going to be on Bank Nifty with Bollinger Bands and RSI technique. This is a very simple technique that many traders use, but they apply it incorrectly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how this technique of Bollinger Band breakout with RSI is has to be applied in the correct way. तो सही नजरिया क्या है इस टेक्निक को देखने का और करने का, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। क्योंकि होता क्या है, काफी सारे जन कहीं ना कुछ आधा अधूरा पढ़ के आते हैं, अप्लाई करते हैं एंड दे लूज मनी इन द मार्केट। सी, दिस इज अ गेम ऑफ प्रोबेबिलिटी। यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि रिस्क तो है ही, लेकिन रिस्क है तो इश्क है। सो अंडरस्टैंडिंग द रिस्क, यू नीड टू हैव अ मेथड, यू नीड टू हैव अ स्टॉप लॉस एंड यू नीड टू हैव अ टारगेट। लेकिन वो करने के पहले हमें हमारा पता तो होना चाहिए हम ट्रेड कैसे करें। So let me share across very quickly on how you can trade markets looking at Bank Nifty, RSI and Bollinger Band trading strategy. So let me move forward. This is Bank Nifty chart. Okay, I just might have to change that. This is Bank Nifty chart, and that is along with an RSI that you can clearly see on the chart here. So over here you can clearly understand that Bank Nifty daily. So ये Nifty नहीं है, ये Bank Nifty है, and Bank Nifty daily is moving between the upper band of Bollinger and lower band of Bollinger. You can clearly see that कि अभी तक यहाँ पर ब्रेकआउट नहीं आया है। निफ्टी जहां नए ऊंचाइयों को छू रहा है 17,000 के पार, बैंक निफ्टी अभी भी फेब्रुअरी हाई के ऊपर नहीं गया। सो बैंक निफ्टी इज फेल्ड टू डू दैट। हाउ डू वी गेट अ कंफर्मेशन दैट बैंक निफ्टी इज नाउ गोइंग टू टेक चार्ज एंड लीड is when we see a breakout on Bank Nifty above this upper end of the Bollinger Band. This is Bank Nifty daily chart. इसके ऊपर जब Bank Nifty बंद होगा, okay, this is not hourly, this is a daily chart. Once Bank Nifty closes above this upper band and the next daily candle takes out the high, we will get a confirmation that after a contraction there is a trend or expansion in the Bollinger Band which is happening that will result Bank Nifty to lead the rally on the upside. Bank Nifty RSI के अगर आप ऊपर देखेंगे तो RSI is also finding resistance around this zone. Very clearly you can see that RSI is not able to cross above that level, which is the reason why Bank Nifty is moving in a range. So the day we see breakout in RSI, that is RSI reaches 70 and prices closes above the Bollinger Band, both of these things combined together will indicate Bank Nifty पे अभी breakout आ रहा है, and that's how you can possibly devise your trading strategy by looking at simple indicator like Bollinger Band and RSI. So ये था Bollinger Band and RSI trading strategy, and this is what I wanted to say. A very quick disclaimer: this is Ashish Kal from Wave Strategy Advisors. We are SEBI registered research firm, and this entire activity is purely from learning educational perspective. I'm not advising you to buy or sell anything. I'm just explaining it to you. And views expressed are personal. OCL or Wave Strategy Advisors does not bear any liability for the same. You can contact us on these numbers and ensure that you keep learning and growing, making money in the market, but understanding the risk that is associated with it. Okay, simple techniques. If you have any doubts or queries, you can always tweet it across to me at the rate Chalashish. Thank you very much, and I am signing off here. Keep in touch and keep learning. Thank you.